Hey guys, I'm going to keep this short and straight to the point. If you want to make money this week, I've got 3 AI stocks that are primed for a run and could generate solid profits. No fluff, no gimmicks, just my research, no webinars or boot camps. I respect your time, so let's jump right in. Stock number 1, Palantir. Let's start with Palantir. Right now, Palantir is sitting at $110 per share. This stock has been on an absolute tear. It's almost crazy to think that back in early 2023, I was covering this stock when it was just $6. Fast forward to today, and we're seeing gap ups even at the $100 level. Palantir's CEO, Alex Karp, has called this company a software juggernaut, and honestly, the numbers back him up. Last quarter, Palantir reported a 36% year-over-year revenue increase, hitting $828 million. That's massive. Now let's talk about my position. I currently hold 2,800 shares of Palantir at an average cost of $22.68 per share. That puts me up $245,000, and I'm planning to add more in a couple of strategic ways. But before I get into that, let's talk about why my outlook on Palantir has evolved. Earnings were a game changer. EPS jumped 75% to 14 cents, blowing past analyst expectations of 11 cents. That's absolutely wild. Government contracts were a huge driver of this success, with revenue from the U.S. government alone reaching $343 million, a 40% increase. And commercial revenue up 31%, totaling $372 million, with U.S. commercial revenue alone growing 64% year over year. Palantir is shaping up to be one of those rare companies that define an entire business era. Think IBM in the early days of computing, Microsoft in the software boom, Amazon in the rise of digital commerce, Apple in the mobile revolution, and Tesla in EVs. Palantir is aggressively pushing AI-driven decision-making tools across defense, intelligence, and enterprise analytics. Here's the deal. Government money hits differently. If you want to be a billionaire, start a company that profits from government contracts. If you want to be a millionaire, invest in one. It's that simple. Now, personally, I don't love that Palantir profits from war, and I don't like what's happening in Eastern Europe or the Middle East, but at the end of the day, we can't control what the government does. What we can do is follow the money, and if Palantir is making a fortune in cyber warfare and AI, I'm positioning myself accordingly. For all of you who have made tens of thousands of dollars by following my trades, I appreciate your trust, and I'm going to keep delivering. I'll be selling put options on Palantir to continue making money. More details on that at the end of the video. But for now, let's move on. Stock number 2, Google. The next AI stock that's going to crush it is Google. This is actually the first time I'm covering Google in detail, so pay attention because this is a money-making opportunity. AI is completely transforming search, and Google is at the center of it. AI chatbots like ChatGPT have changed the way people access information, and Google has responded with its own Gemini AI models, integrating them directly into Google Search with AI overviews. These overviews provide users with instant AI-powered answers, reducing the need to click through multiple web pages. Google is already seeing success with this. Overviews are live in more than 100 countries and are driving more engagement, not less. Plus, Google has confirmed that these AI-powered search results monetize just as well as traditional Google ads. This was the confirmation I needed. I already have a 7-figure position in Google, but I'm adding more because I think this stock is incredibly undervalued right now. Last year, Google Cloud generated $11.9 billion in revenue in Q4, up 30% year over year. That's a massive growth driver that isn't fully priced in yet. Alphabet is currently trading at a PE ratio of under 24, which is way lower than AI peers like Nvidia, Microsoft, and Apple, which average around 40. If Google's valuation adjusts to match these companies, the stock could see a 65% price increase. Even if it only moves halfway toward that valuation, we're looking at 30% upside, conservatively. That's why I'm buying more before the next earnings report. I believe the stock is one of the most mispriced AI opportunities in the market right now. Stock number 3, Tesla. Now, let's talk about Tesla. Elon Musk recently said Tesla has a $10 trillion opportunity, and it's not in the car business. That got my attention. Tesla has been volatile lately, climbing to $480 in December before pulling back to $357 in February. But for long-term investors, this is a golden buying opportunity. Musk is betting big on humanoid robots. Think about it. What if in the near future every household had a personal AI-powered robot? Wealthier individuals could own multiple robots, creating an entirely new industry worth trillions. It sounds wild, but this is exactly how game-changing technologies start. Tesla is more than just a car company. It's an AI and data company. And with self-driving advancements and AI integration, it's going to dominate in ways people aren't even considering yet. I was just talking to my dad about Tesla, and he's worried about the stock. I get it, Tesla is volatile. But that's why I always tell people to dollar cost average. Buy small amounts consistently, and you don't have to time the market. Selling options on Tesla is another great way to generate income and hedge against volatility. Another major catalyst, Tesla's full self-driving data will be released in June. That's going to be a huge moment for the stock. Right now, Tesla is down 7.5% in the last week and is trading below its 50-day moving average. But again, Tesla's long-term fundamentals haven't changed. If anything, this dip makes it an even better buy. And let's be real, Musk has a strong relationship with Trump right now, and while things can change, that could mean big policy advantages for Tesla. If you're not in Tesla yet, I think that's a mistake. But if you're worried about volatility, there's a smarter way to buy it: selling put options. I put together a completely free YouTube masterclass on selling puts, which I highly recommend checking out. It's a strategy that lets you get paid to buy Tesla at a lower price, reducing risk and maximizing profits. Outro. So those are my top 3 AI stocks for this week: Palantir, Google, and Tesla. If you found this video valuable, make sure to subscribe and hit the like button. And don't forget to check out my free course on selling puts. It's one of the best ways to generate consistent income in the market. The link is right here. See you in the next video.